Greetings to you all, and it's good to have you back on this channel just like always. And on today's video, we are live in Ukpo town, Dunukofia local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this town of Ukpo happens to be the town of Dr. Prince Arthur Eze, and this philanthropist happens to be one of Igbo's richest son alive. And guys, we are going to go through this town and see what this town looks like, and at the same time we are going to go through the palatial home of Dr. Prince Arthur Eze and see what his palatial home looks like. And at the same time, not to forget that this town has benefited immensely from the philanthropies of Dr. Prince Arthur Eze. Yes, scoring from scholarships to support, also facelifts of the communities, and lots more. He is known for his kind gestures in Anambra and beyond Anambra State. So let's take a look at what Ukpo, the hometown of one of Anambra's richest son, look like as of today. And don't forget to drop your views, your commendations, your thoughts, whatever it is you think about this town. Please let's know about that on the comment section. And just in case you are new here, this is Blessing Godwin's TV. Do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Enjoy the rest of the video and see you at the end of this video.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me, what's it come? You are gone, all the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone, all the Bentley, they can ride the whip, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are gone. All the men, they catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone. All the men, they catch it, ride the whip, I no feet. Oh now. Yeah.
a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, cover my good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life.